Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how you can get ready-made tags for your videos on YouTube, because tags are very much important, because on the base of good tags you can get more views and also be viral on YouTube. So before moving further, I will request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and select all, because I bring interesting and very interesting videos daily. So let's get started. So guys, I'm here on my mobile screen, and here what we need to do is to go to any internet browser. Like I will go in Chrome browser, and here we'll have to search in Google rapid tags. Rapid tags, that word. We have to type rapid tags in Google, and that website is the top one, is the rapidtags.io. So this one is tag generator website. I'll just simply click on it, and here we'll find a search engine, and here we have to enter the title of our video, that the video we want to put tags in. We have to write its title here. Like I am a person belong to a tech channel, so I will write how to get more views on YouTube. So that's it's for teaching person. For example, this is my title, so I will put this title in here and just simply click on that search button, and it will search the trending and interesting tags. So you can see here are the tags. These are the interesting tag: get more views on YouTube in 2020, get more views on YouTube, gaming channel, so these are the tags, these are the interesting tags. You will just go down, and here's the option of copy. We'll just simply press on it, and these tags has been copied. And now we just simply go to the video where we want to add tags, and just simply paste on it. We need not to think about tags, and we need not to write tags by our own. We have find these ready-made tags. So that's all for today. If you like this video, gives me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.